Phil. This is Matt. We're at the bench, Phil, with your transmission. What we found, this is the inside of your filter. You can see that there's lots of debris inside here, just collected. The filter sucks up the metal and clutch material as the parts grind up and fall into the pan. And so that's your transmission filter that we opened up, the two halves of it. And we just open the fold so we can see if there's metal or debris inside, and as you can see there is quite a bit in there. What happened is the slipping that you felt was because of these clutches that are just burned right down to the metal. All the friction material is gone on them. The steel plates have gotten hot and are warped. As you can see by looking at them, that should be a nice smooth steel plate. And it's all ground up, just like it's a clutch steel in that clutch pack. So the clutches and the steels will have to be replaced. Your fourth gear band will have to be replaced, and that's part of the overhaul kit. The bonded pistons here. This is your planetary gears. They're hard parts, but they're in good shape, so we'll use those over. This right here is your case. There's no damage to the main case of the transmission, so we'll clean it with our chemical washer, and we'll use that again. There is some worn parts here and also over here, and we'll describe these parts on your ticket. Of course, there's so much contamination that we're going to have to replace the torque converter with a remanufactured one, and we have one for that. We will also be hot flushing the transmission cooler lines, and that's about it. Alright, Clifton, this is our hot flush machine. This is flushing a transmission out right now. It's not hooked up to your car at the moment, but you can see the lines go up and they connect to the cooler lines of the transmission, and then the lines pump the hot transmission fluid. Right now the fluid is up to about 179 degrees. It's pumping through at about 40 pounds of pressure. It's on, looks like a 60-minute cycle, and it is reverse flushing air pressure from the shop that's connected to the machine. Every 3 seconds it reverse flushes a pulse of air through there for turbulence. On the flow meter we can see we're flowing 4 gallons per minute. And of course, when we're through flushing lines on your transmission, yours will flow like this as well. And the lines will be completely clean, and the cooler will be completely clean for your transmission. And no debris or metal will then get back into the new transmission. That's our hot flush.